Then place a sheet of non-woven paper between the display and the keyboard to protect the display. Use the P5 pentalobe driver to remove 6 screws on the lower case. Remove the lower case. Peel up and remove the insulating sticker covering the battery board. Use the T5 Torx driver to remove the screw of the battery board. Then remove the trackpad cable connector bracket. Disconnect the trackpad cable by gently prying its connector straight up from the logic board. Prepare alcohol or adhesive remover similar to the one in the picture for removing the battery cells. Alcohol is easier to buy. You can buy it in a nearby store. Slowly pour about 5 drops of alcohol along the plastic card and slowly push the card to pry up the battery cell. Make sure the battery cell is separated from the upper case. Repeat the above procedure to separate the other side of the battery cell from the upper case. Make sure the battery cell is separated from the upper case. Use the plastic scraper and repeat the above procedure to separate the middle battery cell from the upper case. Make sure the battery cell is separated from the upper case. Please be careful with the trackpad cable and do not squeeze and damage it. Make sure the battery cell is separated from the upper case. Lift and remove the battery. Remove the spudger. Use the spudger to shovel up the edge of the adhesive. Try to keep the adhesive intact. Pick up the new battery. Adjust the position alignment and then put the battery down flat. Use the T5 Torx driver to install the 2 screws into the holes. Lift the new battery. Tear off the adhesive paper film on the back of the battery cell.
Be careful not to press the battery cell against the trackpad cable.
Slowly remove the clear protective film from the new battery. You can press the battery cell repeatedly to make the new battery fit tightly to the MacBook. Put the trackpad cable flat along the middle battery cell. Align the trackpad cable with the connector socket and press it gently to fasten it. Put the trackpad cable connector bracket in place and use the T5 Torx driver to install the 2 screws. Align the battery connector with the connector of its socket on the logic board and press it to fasten it. Put the insulating sticker covering on the battery board. Cover the lower case. Use the P5 pentalobe driver to install the screws on the lower case and pay attention to the length of the screws. Then you can start to use the MacBook now. Thanks for watching!